Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and choosing the right model mode. This matters because fidelity versus speed changes output detail. Once signed in, pick resolution like 1024 x 1024 and set sampling for quality. Now write a focused prompt that names subject, style, lighting, and a couple of negative prompts to avoid artifacts. Say what you want in plain language, then refine. Shorter prompts test quickly, while longer prompts guide nuance. Make sure to save a copy of any prompt that works, so once you have a base prompt, iterate with small edits and generate multiple variations to compare. That reveals what each parameter does. Increase guidance scale to push fidelity, lower it to allow creativity. Use seed values to reproduce results, change only one variable per run to isolate effects. If you need consistency, upload a reference image or combine two prompts. Also try in-painting or masking to correct local areas. This avoids full regenerations and saves time while keeping the parts you like. You finish by picking the strongest result, applying an upscaler if you need print quality, and exporting as PNG or JPEG at target DPI. If the image has unwanted elements, mask and in-paint those regions or add clear negative prompts to block artifacts. When things go wrong, first verify account permissions, API quota, and model availability, then reduce complexity in the prompt and test a lower resolution. A single troubleshooting tip: change one parameter at a time so you can identify what fixed the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.